So many people buy aftermarket seat post, and usually seat post comes way too long for your bike. In this instance, the 400 millimeter seat post I've got is like way too long for this restoration project that I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the seat post. And what I found the most easiest way of cutting the seat post is using a tube cutter. This is just a steel tube cutter. I got this from, I think, Lowe's hardware store. You can get this from Home Depot, or you can order it on Amazon. Basically, it's a very hard steel disc right here. As you tighten and rotate on the seat post, the disc cuts in and cuts in and cuts in, and eventually it's gonna cut this tube off. So this is one of the easiest way. For aluminum post, at least, doesn't work on steel. I don't think so. You might need a very hard cutting, like a hard steel saw to saw those steel seat posts, but I suggest you just upgrade to a aluminum one. That way you save weight and it's just as durable and it's easier to service. If you have a carbon seat post, what I find the easiest way is to just use a jigsaw or a regular saw and saw the carbon seat post off. This tube cutting thing, I don't think it works on carbon fiber, but if you have used it, let me know and it'll be interesting to find out. But again, just want to make this video to show you guys how to cut a seat post to fit your bike, okay, by using a tube cutter. And as you can see, the entire process took less than 3 minutes. I basically just slowly tightened the disc to the tube and rotated the tube cutter around the disc, around the seat post, and it's off, okay? One last thing to note is the edge will be very sharp, okay? So usually with those tube cutters, they provide you with a burning tool. Basically, you just run this around the edge inside where it's sharp, and just do a couple turns. That is gonna smooth out the burr or the sharp edge on the cut off piece. And another thing is, when you're rotating, be really careful not to have your hand here. You're gonna cut your hand really easily on this disc, okay? Because even though it's not like super sharp, if you apply some pressure, it's gonna work like a knife, okay? So there you have it. If you guys have any questions, again, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. I will have more bicycle maintenance related videos coming out for you guys as I restore vintage bikes. Okay, so thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.